Welcome to the video, guys. In this video I will be showing y'all how to install the hood scoop you see I got installed on my vehicle. I will say it is a month later, so I just wanted to make sure everything looks good. It looks dope. If we come and look from this side right here, yeah, it looks awesome. Let's go ahead and get this video started. So this is the paint I use for the hood scoop, Rust-Oleum, of course, matte black. Got the job done, a perfect finish. Look at that. I did do like two or three coats. I recommend on the last coat just do like a light spray, like try to get it all even. That way it'd be smooth, kind of like this. Y'all notice how smooth it looks. But yeah, let's go ahead and install this bad boy on the car and let's get it done. So I know it's kind of dark outside, but I did line up, put like tape around the edges of it so I know exactly where to go. But I also forgot to mention, guys, make sure you put the hood scoop back on your car and mask off these little tapes as well, so you'll know exactly where to drill at. So now back to the video. On my drill, pretty easy. Just go to the hole. You can see I already did one right here. Just go where I was at. So this is what I meant earlier. You see I got to pull it back. Now I kind of marked where the hole was, and then I pulled it back, grabbed the drill and started drilling. So just make sure you mask off that little piece right there. And yeah, so let's continue the video. Take your time. Drill it open. And it's that easy. You know what I'm saying? Once you drill into the car though, make sure you clean off all the pieces with alcohol and everything. I'm gonna do that next. Also, guys, make sure y'all take off y'all liner. I forgot to mention this. Make sure you take off your liner. I just placed it over my car since mine is old, so y'all can see all the pieces kind of dropped in here, which is pretty cool. But I drilled out two holes right here, kind of clean it up a little bit, and yeah, let's install the actual hood scoop. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just take some, hold on. So the next thing I'm gonna do is take some tape, y'all can see, and then try to stick it over the hole over here. That way it can stay through over here. And let me go ahead and do that real quick. So y'all can see I got that taped over the hole and it's sticking out right here. So let's do the same thing to the other side and let's put the hood scoop on. So I just made sure they fit over the hole, everything lines up. So the next thing I'm gonna do, of course, is peel back the tape, screw it in from under the underside, and let's go ahead and install the hood scoop. So after double checking to make sure everything fits, I mask back all the tape with the masking tape, so that way I can grip everything except the corners. I might just go ahead and take the corners off, but other than that, everything else is masked off. So let's go ahead and try to install it. And yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. I'm sorry it's so quick because I accidentally deleted I deleted all the footage. I don't know how I did that, but pretty much all I did was put the hood scoop on the car once I masked back the tape and just pulled the tape. It was super easy. And once you do that, just screw in the hose from the underside with a screwdriver, and that was it. So I know I couldn't really show it on video, but it's pretty self-explanatory, y'all. It's like super easy. Well, that part, like the ending part, was super easy. The drilling the hole through the car was a little tough. I would say you would have to put a little pressure on it and be careful not to hit your engine. Kind of just work yourself up and down. That's kind of like what I did. But yeah, make sure y'all leave a like, a subscribe. Appreciate y'all guys for watching the video.